Today I will discuss about how to make stock. We all make stock at our home, but sometimes I feel there are some basic tips we forget. What are the ingredients we need to make stock? We need water, we need bone, we need some aromatic vegetables, and we need some herbs. So, where do you mistake in the beginning? Most of us, we don't know what is the proportion between water and bones. If I take 1 liter water, my maximum bone what I require, that is 500 grams. That means if I take 5 liters water, we need maximum 2.5 kg bones. Now when to add bones to the water? If it's a fresh bone, it should be added to the water when the water is cold. Then you put it on flame. And ingredients like aromatic herbs or vegetables, that should not be added in the beginning. Directly in the cold water we should add the bones. Put it on flame. When it start boiling, simmer. In the beginning you will see there will be some froths will come on the top. That to be removed slowly and simmer it. Now I'm just talking about chicken bones. Chicken bone simmering time maximum 2 to 2.5 hours, not more than that. So we will put it on flame, put it in the simmer when the flame will come on boiling. Put it in simmer. That's all. Only towards the end of, suppose 2.5 hours I have decided to simmer, then before 15 minutes I will add aromatic vegetables. What are the common aromatic vegetables? Chopped onion, chopped celery, chopped carrot. You can add many other things. These are the basic things. You add just 15 minutes before. And you can add bay leaf and crushed peppercorn also. Now simmer for another 15 minutes. And then you strain. But should be always on simmering point. Adding bones in cold water. Because when the temperature of water is rising from low to high, there will be maximum extraction of nutrients and flavor from bone to water. That you always remember. When the temperature is rising from low to high, there will be maximum extraction from bone to the water. Then the question is, the water will come into simmer within maximum 20 minutes, then it will be on simmering point only. Then that means according to this theory, the rate of extraction will reduce. Then what to do? Yes, I'll tell you what to do. After every half an hour gap, you add 1 cup of cold water again. Cold water means just tap water again. That will serve up 2 purposes. What? The water which is lost due to evaporation, that water will again come in the stock, and the temperature of the stock will go down and then again slowly up. So we are getting again extraction from bones to this. Now one thing I want to add at last, that if I have not fresh bone, refrigerated bone, that means the bone which was already in refrigerator, it should not be added directly in the stock pot. What I should do? I should put in boiling water for 1 minute maximum, all the bones, strain it. Now these bones I should add to the stock pot. Now why I am doing so? Because always what are the things are kept in refrigerator? They have a refrigerator smell. So that bad smell will go to this water, which I will throw it out after blanching. This is called blanching. And again this bone I will add to the fresh cold water and I'll start the everything. One day you make a chicken stock in this style and see the flavor. Okay?